been 22 years actually. How did I start? Nangailangan lang sila ng abogado and oo, dati kasi hindi naman ako original lawyer on unang hirit, pero nangailangan sila ng abogado. And I actually used to do the news on another channel, so parang it was an opportunity to mix two worlds together, which was TV and lawyering. Kaya kinuha ko na rin agad. And I guess it's been 22 years. I hope meron namang napulot ng mga tao. Sabi nga nila, ignorance of the law excuses no one. So siguro naman yung 22 years, ilang beses sa isang linggo, over 22 years siguro naman merong napulot kahit papaano ang mga nanonood ng unang hirit. Paano ako nag-adapt? Wala na. We just take on whatever happens, new people arrive. I now literally let my hair down. Dati kasi talagang dapat magmukhang abogado, di ba? So, palaging nakatali yung buhok ko, naka-suit, ganyan. Pero ngayon, I let my hair down, nagti-TikTok, di ba? Pag nandyan itong mga batang to. And really, it's just really having fun, di ba? Letting your hair down and just being ourselves.
Any memorable feedback sa segment po? Ano yung naging impact ng show sa legal practice?
Memorable, the only thing that's memorable for me is when people approach me or they write to me and they say thank you because they learned something new. Or actually, ang pinakamalaki is that I actually, at ito yung medyo madalas na nangyayari, they actually say that I influenced a lot of young women or a lot of people to become lawyers. So, I think more than anything na nakapag-inspire ka, I think that's been the greatest compliment and the greatest testament to doing this. No? Hindi maaga na mag-research ka, tapos padadala mo aga-aga, tapos dapat mukha kang fresh, na hindi ka gumising ng maaga at nag-travel ng umaga. Pero yun, through the years, meron na rin naging abogado actually. Doon sa mga nagsabing na-inspire sila, naging abogado na sila, lumapit sila sa nila, hindi ako naging abogado, hindi ako nag-inspire sila. So I think that's the biggest thing.
Yung impact na po sa legal practice, na did you get clients because of the show?
I try to avoid getting clients from the show. Kasi nga hindi ko naman ayoko ma-accuse na ginamit ko yung show as a means of furthering my personal practice. Pina-farm out ko ang mga queries. If it's an ordinary query na hindi naman kailangan ng further work, ginagawa ko na lang, pero kung yung mag-appear sa trial, ganyan, parang sa iba na lang. Kasi nga, dapat medyo unblemished yung reputation ko as a lawyer on the show. So, so hindi ako tumatanggap ng kaso.
Thank you. Happy anniversary.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss King at the Heart of Random Republica. Ngayon, ang next question naman ay magagaling po kay Sir Don Sir Nino of Abante Online and Don Sir Nino.